Changing your payout method on Binance US is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment preferences effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Binance US account by entering your email and password. Make sure you are using a secure network to protect your account information. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, locate the wallet option on the main dashboard. Click on it to view your account balances and available payout methods. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the wallet section, look for the payout methods or withdraw tab. Click on it to see the current payout methods linked to your account. Step 4. Update your payout method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the new payout method, review the information for accuracy. Confirm the changes and check for any verification steps that may be required to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method will be successfully changed. Make sure to keep your payment information secure and up to date for future transactions.